Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer to SushiSwap from MetaMask. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your MetaMask wallet. Ensure you are connected to the Ethereum network. Visit the SushiSwap website in your browser. Click on Launch App to enter the SushiSwap interface. In the top right corner, connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking on the Connect button. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallet options. Approve the connection in your MetaMask wallet. Navigate to the Trade section, which is usually located in the top menu. Choose the token you want to swap from the drop-down menu. Enter the amount of the token you wish to transfer. Select the token you want to receive by clicking on the second drop-down menu. Review the expected output, including fees and slippage. Once satisfied, click on the Swap button. A confirmation window will pop up. Review your details again. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm Swap button. A MetaMask window will appear for you to approve the transaction. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Wait for the transaction to process on the Ethereum blockchain. Once completed, you will see your new tokens in your wallet balance. You can view your transaction history in both MetaMask and SushiSwap. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred to SushiSwap from MetaMask. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.